A 2.2% reduction is expected in SUI by June 25, according to Gulf Capital Collector. First, let's break down what's been happening lately. Today, SUI is up by 0.6% and trades close to the $0.6979 mark. Let's look at the forecast from each analyst. CoinPrice Forecasts model shows a possible movement to earn 71 cents by June 25. That's approximately 1.7% up from current levels. Digital CoinPrice expects SUI could move down towards $0.6949, roughly 0.4% lower. CoinLore points out it could move lower to $0.691, about 1% beneath current levels. Another prediction by Gulf Capital Collector indicates SUI may fall to $0.6828, about 2.2% down from current levels. And last but not least, Traders Union believes the price may slide to $0.6528 by tomorrow, down by 6.5%. This is the top earning forecast we've seen. Those were 5 key outlooks. Let's move along. Forecast complete. Let's turn to the probability and payoff. According to the data, the price swing could be from a decrease of 6.5% to an increase of 1.7%. To sum it up, Traders Union offers the highest forecast with 6.5% gain in value by June 25. Based on these results, you could generate between $4 and $65 for every $1,000 you invest. Using volatility as the basis, Digital CoinPrice's forecast shows the strongest probability at 95.3%. Out of the 5 perspectives, I've drawn one consolidated consensus outlook. Taken together, the forecast place SUI around $0.6863. Okay, let's walk through it. The consensus calculation shows a 1.7% drop by tomorrow. That outcome means your capital might grow by around 1.7% as well. For a 1,000 entry, this move could imply $17 gained. And the probability of this consensus forecast being realized is about 91.4%. For the short term, let's see what analysts predict across the 3-day period. CoinPrice forecast anticipates further bullish movement in the market. Digital CoinPrice indicates that prices could dip further. Also, CoinLore sees SUI on a downward slope. Also, Gulf Capital Collector expects SUI to head lower. Additionally, Traders Union anticipates SUI heading south. Taking all forecasts into account, the consensus points to SUI following a lower path. Altogether, 80% of analysts share a bearish short-term stance on SUI. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were made. Now we know how they performed. As a result, the actual price settled around $0.704. Most of the analysts' forecasts captured the correct move. From an accuracy standpoint, Digital CoinPrice was the closest. Now let's set it in order. All 5 forecasts matched the candle's range. Looking at ROI, all analysts posted positive outcomes, and the strongest gain reached 5.5%. Here's the daily overview, a simple summary of all results. Meanwhile, Gulf Capital Collector had a pre-estimated probability of 68.4% in accuracy and 5% ROI. Look and see who stayed closest to the real price movement. Here's a quick visual of tomorrow's forecasted returns showing SUI compared with the rest of the market. In this comparison, PEEP comes first with 4.9% ahead of SUI. Here SUI is compared with 4 randomly selected cryptocurrencies. A broader comparison with many more is already ready on my website. Before you go, subscribe to stay updated with the next group of analyst predictions. Catch you in the next analysis.